In this video, we're going to talk about how to fix Siemens Dishwasher E09 error code. Now, if your Siemens dishwasher is showing the E09 error code, it usually means there's a problem with the heating element. This part is responsible for heating the water, and when it fails, the dishwasher can run or can't run properly. So the good news is there are a few things you can try before calling a technician. So first, start by unplugging the dishwasher or switching off the breaker for a few minutes, about 5 minutes. Sometimes, the error can appear after a power surge or a temporary glitch, and a simple reset can clear it. And once you turn the power back on, run a short cycle to check if the error comes back. So if the code remains, the heating element, which is often built into the circulation pump in Siemens dishwasher, may have burned out. So to fix this, the machine usually needs a replacement heating pump assembly. So this repair requires disconnecting the dishwasher, removing the lower panels, and accessing the pump area. If you're confident with DIY repairs, you can order the part specific to your Siemens model and replace it yourself. However, because it involves water connection and electrical wiring, many people prefer to call an authorized service technician to handle the job. So it's also worth checking that your dishwasher's filter and spray arms aren't clogged. Poor water circulation can sometimes trigger heating issues, so cleaning them out won't always remove the error, but it helps ensure your machine runs smoothly. So once the heating element is fixed. So in short, E09 points to a faulty heater. Resetting the dishwasher may clear it temporarily, but if it doesn't, you'll likely need a new heating pump. And that's how you deal with Siemens dishwasher E09 error code. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.